The incredible health benefits of garlic. Garlic is a pungent, flavorful herb that has been used for centuries in cuisines around the world. But beyond its culinary applications, garlic also offers an array of impressive health benefits. 1. Boosts immune function. Garlic is rich in compounds like allicin, which have potent antimicrobial and antiviral properties. Consuming garlic regularly can help strengthen the immune system and reduce the risk of infections and illnesses. 2. Supports heart health. Garlic has been shown to help lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. The active compounds in garlic can help improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries. 3. Exhibits anti-inflammatory effects. The sulfur-containing compounds in garlic possess strong anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial for reducing pain and swelling associated with conditions like arthritis. Garlic may also help lower the risk of certain cancers that are linked to chronic inflammation. 4. Enhances detoxification. Garlic contains compounds that can help stimulate the liver and encourage the production of enzymes that eliminate toxins from the body. This can support the body's natural detoxification processes and promote overall health. 5. Improves gut health. Garlic is a prebiotic, meaning it feeds the beneficial bacteria in the gut and supports a healthy microbiome. A balanced gut microbiome is essential for proper digestion, immune function, and overall wellness. Incorporating garlic into your diet is a simple and effective way to boost your health in numerous ways, from supporting immune function to promoting heart health. Whether you enjoy it cooked, raw, or in supplement form, garlic is a versatile and powerful addition to any healthy lifestyle. Subscribe for more.